Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lamborghini Countach, and this is a newer one, not the older Countach, the one they launched recently. This casting is by Welly, and it's into 1:60 scale, if I'm not wrong. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Looks like it has some decent details, but once we open it up, we can look how it is. So here is the Countach out of its packaging, and it's finished in white. Looks good, especially with black wheels. If you start from the front, you can see it's got painted headlamps, got the Lambo badge, some more details up front with the grille. I don't know if those are turn indicators or DRLs down in there, but they are painted in silver too. You also got the windshield wipers and the black trim here, which looks good actually. You can see both the mirrors and the rear view mirror inside it too. So good details up front. Now let's move to the driver's side. I don't see major details like any painted details, but it has got everything like the vents and the running boards. Not the running boards actually. I don't know what it's called. Might be running boards. Also, you can see the wheels finished in black. They look good here. Moving to the rear, again nice details. You've got painted tail lamps, you got the grille, the quad exhaust. So good details in the rear too. If I move to the passenger side, it's almost identical as the driver's side. Don't see any major differences. On the top, you can see again some good details in the interior. You got the clear or the glass roof, and for the back too, and you can see the bracing for the engine and some details on the engine too. Also here you can see how there's a big spoiler here. Again, I'm assuming it's an active spoiler, so it can come out and come down, something like that. Interior is done in black. No major details there. You have the seats, you have the steering wheel. I do like the shape of the steering wheel. I can't really show here, don't think it will be visible, but it's got the steering center is like how you see on the actual Lambos. So that's good. And this is how it looks from the bottom. It reads Welly, made in China, and Lamborghini Countach LP 804. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. It can use some details. Oh yeah, I did miss the small door handle. If you see near this area, I did miss it. Yeah, overall it has got some good details. Definitely better detail than some of the mainline Hot Wheels. But again, yeah, still can use some more details, but doesn't look bad at all. It's actually a nice looking casting, and I found few Wellys recently, and I haven't been disappointed by them. So let me know if you can find Wellys around where you live. We don't really get like a lot of 1:60 or 1:64 Welly. You can find 24 or 36, not 36, 32 ones, or maybe bigger in Toys R Us, but not these ones. I like these. So those are my thoughts. Let me know if you have anything you want to add to it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.